Hello there. That's a big bath for a little boy. That's a huge bath for a little boy. So, Sebastian got upgraded from a little bath to a big bath. From a little bath to a big bath. Woohoo! Yeah, man. So, the old bath goes away. That was the sound of the old bath going away. Exactly. Sebastian, see ya.